Hey there, fellow traders, and you guys that are looking to enter into the trading space. Welcome back to our trading room here at Steyntrading, where I share all of my triumphs, failures, and the raw truth of my trading journey. So, grab yourself a nice cup of coffee or whatever you like to drink, because today I'm going to share a piece of my journey, a very deep and painful part of it, but I think it's relevant in today's world. Today I'm opening up about something that really stings to talk about, and that is how I lost close to about $10,000 trying to just master this whole thing of trading, just trying to make it in the trading space. Yes, you did hear right, $10,000. For you guys that are with me here in South Africa, that is close to 200,000 Rand. This is a story of fake courses, scammy strategies, and dealing with some really evil brokers. Guys, it is an extremely painful journey, but I hope that today you can find some inspiration from what I'm about to tell you. So, let's get down to the juicy part of it. Share my heart with you guys today. If you are new here, will you do me a huge favor? Please join our channel, click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and if you really feel inclined to it, please share my videos. I'm trying to reach as many people as I can and show them the wonderful world of Forex trading. Not the glamour side of Forex trading, not the shiny side of it, the real cold hard truth of what it really takes to become a long-term professional trader. As I always say, becoming a trading pro. Trust me, this is a cautionary tale that every trader needs to hear. So, let me set the stage for you guys. This is the part I'm going to call the deceptive lure. It all started innocently enough. I was so eager to enhance my trading skills. I was so hungry to become successful and to make all of this money that everybody else is making. So I did what a lot of you do. I enrolled into this wonderful online course that promised me all these great returns and how easy this journey will be and how amazing it's going to be. And once I master this, I am going to be the best trader. I'm going to make money rain from the sky. Little did I know, it was actually a trap. The promise of quick riches and foolproof strategies blindsided me to actually seeing the red flags. Just doing this video today and writing the script, looking back, I couldn't understand why I acted so foolishly, why I never saw these red flags. It just baffles me today when I look back and I'm trying to comprehend what was I thinking at that moment? I mean, let's be honest, with all this flashy marketing, they were luring me in with making great returns and being the best trader ever, and it's going to be so easy and so quick, and it's just going to everything is just going to be so magnificent. There's going to be Ferraris everywhere and I'm going to have this glamorous life that I've always wanted. Well, I kind of had to learn the cold hard truth. I fell for it hook, line and sinker. This so-called gurus were actually just charlatans preying on vulnerable people. And I was vulnerable at that stage. I had just lost a lot of money with a bad investment and I needed to make up the difference. And I was desperate. And that is the part that gets me every time. It's the desperate people, the ones that cannot afford to lose it, end up being the victims of this. I poured my hard-earned money into this deceitful lessons, thinking that it was going to be an investment for the future, that I was going to be everything that I wanted to be. I solely placed all of my mind and my sanity and my reasoning in validating why this was the best decision. Hey guys, I'm just interrupting you in between the videos to share with you our amazing training group. It has been such an inspirational journey and it has yielded so much results. I mean, just have a look at this and this. And if this is something that you would like to learn, come and join us. And guess what? It's absolutely free. We don't charge you for anything. We just want you to do 3 things for us. Step number 1 is sign up with our recommended broker. The reason why we work with this broker is because we trust them, they trust us, and we have special perks that comes with our broker. Number 1, you're going to get a swap-free account. Number 2, you're going to pay no commissions and no taxes. And above all, they specially offer a send-free account just for our community because we understand how important it is for you to start your trading journey on a send account. So this is just some of the reasons why we prefer this broker. In our trading room, we actually break down why it is important to choose a really good broker. And we believe we've partnered with the best. Step number 2 is create a send account. Open up an account, get ready, get it set up on your phone. We trade on the phone. You can trade on the PC if you want, but I prefer the phone because it's always in my pocket and I can trade anywhere at any time. Step number 3. I cannot stress this enough. Trading a demo account is setting you up for failure. Even if you just put $100 in your trading account, $100 with your own money is going to teach you 700 times more than being on a demo account. I've seen it over and over. I've experienced it. And that's why I'm sharing it in this journey as well. Is every single time I traded on a demo account, I was profitable. And then when I put some real money in, I would lose it all. Because there's a certain psychology that comes with trading real money. Now, that's all you got to do. We don't want anything else from you. That's the 3 things we want you to do. Because we know that by just doing these 3 things and joining our trading room and our free educational sessions, you are going to set yourself up to becoming a successful trader in 2024. And that is our goal with our channel, is to help and educate 100,000 people all over the world to become long-term profitable traders. And in our trading room, we share our strategy. This is a 400-year-old strategy, a proven strategy being used by all the big institutions. Yes, by all the big institutions. It has proven itself over and over and over. And I dare you today to come and try it because it changed my life and it has changed many other people's lives before me. And all of this is absolutely free. Because as I said to you guys, remember, in the world of trading, trust is earned, not given. So, click on the link at the bottom, get onto our Telegram group, we'll guide you through the process, get your account set up, and I would love for you to come and trade with me. Now, back to the video. Unfortunately, the cold hard truth is that it just turned out to be some flashy strategy that ended up me blowing 4 accounts. You heard it right, 4 accounts. Did I not learn after the first one? Didn't I learn after the second one? It took me 4 accounts to get to a point to realize that it wasn't me. Because this is the reality. The moment that you start applying these strategies and you don't get it right, you end up blaming yourself. You end up thinking that you are the problem in all of this, that you just didn't watch the video enough, that you didn't understand what they were saying, that you are the fool. Well, looking back today, I wasn't the fool. I was just the fool that thought that this would work. And it costed me 4 trading accounts. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is the scammy strategies. And that is what I'm coining them, because that is what they are. As if losing my money to some fake courses wasn't enough, I then stumbled upon these scammy strategies. Now, I don't know if you can relate to me, but we see them all over Instagram. 95, 97, 99.9% strategy. Just try my strategy. It is going to make you rich. You're going to have guaranteed profits and your life is going to be amazing because of my strategy. Risk-free, they said. But the only thing that was risk-free was their conscience. I adopted these tactics. I had found the golden ticket to my financial freedom. I followed their advice blindly because this is the perfect strategy. And soon, my portfolio took a nosedive. Manipulative, cunning, and out to take every penny. They pushed me into these risky trades, convinced me to leverage my account higher and higher. And when everything crumbled, they were nowhere to be found. Absolute silence. And again, I blew account after account after account. And the worst part is believing that I was the fault, that I was the factor why it wasn't succeeding, but never knowing that these strategies were never meant to be successful. They were just meant to enrich them. Because the reality is, when you sign up with an unlicensed, unregistered broker, the chances that whoever is selling you these signals and these strategies and these different products, they are most probably having a sideline agreement with the trading company to bag a lot of the profit coming in. And the reality is, none of these strategies truly worked, because at the end of the day, they made money while you made money, but the worst part is they also made money when you started losing. So those signals were never meant to help you. They were meant to enrich you. Oh, how they love to sweet talk you. How they lure you in and show you how amazing your life is going to be when you use this strategy. But the moment things start going wrong and you're frantically sending messages to support and you're trying to find someone to help you resolve this issue, they're gone in thin air. So guys, I'm just like you. I've been scammed. I've had fake courses. I had so-called amazing gurus that ended up me losing close to about $10,000. Now this was the last money that I had. I was benchmarking on at least growing back some of it. But the reality was, I just couldn't. And I had to face the reality that what I was doing wasn't working. And I needed to make a change. So if you are watching this video today and you have been scammed and you've lost money, or you've spent some money on some guru and you're feeling the aftershock, please don't blame yourself. It wasn't you. It was created to fool you. It was created to lure you in, and it was never meant to help you and to make you succeed. And if you can forgive yourself from that and you can move on from it, then you can truly find the power within yourself to restore yourself and build the life of your dreams. Because I'm living proof of it. I have bounced back from it, and I'm even stronger than I am before. But I will not silence myself for these charlatans and snake salesmen, snake oil salesmen that they call them. I will not silence myself because I disagree with this type of marketing and promotion that is happening in the trading industry. I believe cold, hard education is the fundamental basis for you to succeed in trading. And that is why I'm an advocate, not only on my channel, but on all of my platforms, about mindset, about good health, about good relationships, good money management, risk management. I am an advocate of this because that helped me to succeed. So, this is my conclusion to this entire video, because I believe, obviously, I've said a lot of things, but what is my conclusion? I've learned the hard way, but my loss can be your gain. Don't fall for these traps. Nobody can make 10% a day. Not even the best hedge fund in this world. They can only achieve roughly 10 to 15% per year. Don't fall for these fake returns, because that's what they are, fake returns. Don't fall for the traps. Question every strategy and beware of those brokers lurking in the dark. Remember, in the world of trading, trust is earned, not given. If you've been through a similar ordeal, please share your story in the comments below. Let's build a community that learns from each other's mistakes. It's so important for us to look at our mistakes as learning curves rather than failures. And the best way for all of us to grow on this channel is to learn from each other. And to everyone watching this, stay vigilant, stay informed, and trade smart. This is Marnie, and I'm signing off, guys. Take care, and may your trades be profitable and scam-free. Guys, have a blessed trading day. And remember, we are all striving to become trading pros. That is what our channel is about. Happy trading!